Hello all traders, today is Friday 17th of December 2024 and we're going to look at the trade that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 and CFD contracts. If we see low risk opportunities, as you see after New York market opening, the price started to go down sharply and now it's losing its momentum, and by zooming out this or using 1 hour macro chart, we can see that the price during the Globex session was fluctuating above the previous day low and also was going down during the London session. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price reached the support area and the buyers came back, we will take long position in a well-established uptrend. So stay tuned and we're gonna update you with any trades that we're gonna take today. So we came back later afternoon, and when the volatility calmed down and the sellers' strength became weak and the buyers came back and the price reached this area of support, which was the point of control for the day. This wave of uptrend around 3:30 was taken with setup B and C repeatedly on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500, and because volatility was high and we reached the daily target, we finished for the day early, and all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. And if we look at the stats of all these trades here on this account, we see we are positive with profit factor which was around 7, which is coming from 77% win rate from 9 long positions taken and average win to loss ratio of 2. The largest winning trade was 375 and the largest losing trade was 174, which was the account daily drawdown. So that was the summary of the trades taken on the futures prop firm account today, and let's look at the results of the trades taken on the CFD prop firm accounts. So these are the trades that we have taken on the CFD prop firm accounts, mainly on Nasdaq and Dow Jones and one also on DAX. CFD, total of 13 trades taken that had 2 small loss and the rest was winners. So we had above 80% win rate, and by looking at the summary stats of this account, we see that these are our total profit and loss. So we are plus 222 positive, and our profit factor also further improved today. And by looking at the equity curve, we see that the equity curve is growing consistently, and we gain about $12 today, which in these 5K small accounts is equivalent to $1,200 on $300,000 futures prop firm account. And on average, we had 83% win rate, 16 consecutive wins that resulted in $87 profit, and 4 consecutive loss that resulted in $41 drawdown. So hope this trade is taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on futures prop firm account and also on CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.